When dealing with your digital images, before you start reorganizing and moving things around, after you've gathered everything into one place, make a backup of that hot mess. The sort of immediate collection where you have everything from CDs, everything from SD cards, everything from social media, from other online things, from your computer, from your camera. So all of those things, once those files are gathered in one place, make a backup. Because once you start working with the digital images and start moving things around, if something happens and you make a mistake, you have a backup copy to restore from, and you haven't wasted all your time, and you haven't lost anything, which is really the most important thing. Once you get everything organized, you'll make a backup of that. Then you can let go of the hot mess. So for now, before you start working, back up. It's a good practice whenever you're doing anything on your computer. And if you have questions about backups, put them in the comments below. Happy to talk to you about that.